Hey Billionaire Squad, I'm Donnathebillionaire and I'm back with another video. And today guys, we're going to just be going over more tax tips and bookkeeping tips. And before we get into that, I wanted to let you guys know that we are about to enter a 21-day self-confidence challenge. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure that you guys are here for the self-confidence challenge. I have so much other things that I planned out for this channel, so just stay tuned and share with a friend. But today guys, we're going to be talking about why you should file, who can file, and why bookkeeping is so important. I told y'all last week that the reason why I started this was because, as you know, I've been a tax preparer for 8 years, and this year has been by far the messiest year ever, okay? People are doing insane things with their business information, and like people are losing their business information. They not filing their business taxes properly. And so I wanted to just give y'all a couple of tax tips. First of all, one thing that I've been seeing, and y'all probably feel like this is just, you know, this is a no-brainer, but a lot of people are not separating their personal from business income, okay? You should have a business bank account for your business income, okay? Because for one, it makes it easier for you to really track your business progress. It makes it easier for your tax preparer to do your taxes, and also you should honestly be separating filing your business taxes separately from your personal taxes, but it's not a must. You can always file your Schedule C with your personal taxes. It's not a must, but like when you're trying to elevate in business, I would say that you should file your business taxes separately from your personal taxes. But if you're like a freelancer or a sole proprietor or something like that, it's okay for you to file your taxes together, okay? So the first one, if you really land like that, or if it's that time for you, make sure that you separate your personal income from your business income. Another reason why is because depending on your business structure, if there was ever a incident where you are being sued or something like that, your business income and your personal income is separate, so they cannot touch your personal assets. They will only have to go after your business income. So if you have those things separate, it makes this better for you. Not saying that you're ever gonna get sued, but you gotta know business principles in order for you to be successful. So if you guys have any questions about anything that I'm saying, please either put it in the chat or reach out to me and I'll make a video more in depth about that specific thing. Okay. All right, so have business bank accounts. A lot of people was asking me about the whole thing I said last time about buying collateral. The reason why I say buy collateral is because depending on the tax bracket that you are in, why are you buying things that you cannot use for depreciation or that you cannot write off as a business expense or something like that? Like buying stuff just to be buying it is irrelevant when you're growing financially. I would say buy things that are collateral, things you can use as value, or things that you can use to depreciate or to deduct on your taxes. It just depends your situation. So again, if there's anything y'all want me to touch more on, reach out to me, let me know. Okay, so another question is, who can file taxes? Some people feel like, oh, I don't want to file taxes, either because they don't know that they can, or they feel like, oh, well, I don't have no kids, whatever the case, I might end up owing money and I don't want to have to pay no money. So you have to actually go to the right type of preparer so that they can help you understand how you can deduct your business losses to where it offsets whatever you may owe. But you do want to file taxes, and there is a reason why. There are many reasons why you do want to file your taxes. For the people who are really trying to be somewhere out here, having a tax return can help you in many ways. So now today, it's very rare that you make enough money to even take care of yourself, let alone go to banks and ask for money. So if you have a tax return, you can actually apply for mortgages with a tax return. You can show your business tax return, and you can apply for money for banks and everything. So that's the reason why you do want to file a tax return. It's a financial statement that can help you get more leverage. Again, if you have any questions, reach out and ask me. Who can file? Anybody who make money can file taxes. You just have to go to the right preparer in order for them to help you do it, okay, the proper way. So I wrote down a couple of things because these are just a couple of industries that I find that people do not file because they are unaware that they can file. So YouTubers, music artists, models, OnlyFans models, yes, OnlyFans do distributed 1099. So models, babysitters, hairstylists, people who make clothes, people who cut grass, which is lawn care, whatever. So if you make money, you can file your business. All you have to do is have the documents, okay? And so this gets into the bookkeeping, right? I want y'all to know why it's important to have a bookkeeper, because everybody hear me talking about bookkeeping, but they don't necessarily know what it is, right? So bookkeeping is when all of your records are analyzed. You see all of the expenses it cost you to run this business, and then you see all of the money that was that came into the business. A lot of people have receipts, like you have to keep all these receipts. First of all, the IRS requires you to keep records for at least 3 years of your business. Even if they claim, oh, Trump finna demolish the IRS, whatever the case, the person that come after him, the laws are still gonna be the same, which means you have to keep record, because if you ever was audited or questioned about anything that you filed, you have to have record of it. Okay, so that's what bookkeeping is all about. It's about keeping record of your financial health, your business growth, and stuff like that. Every activity that's happening in your business, you want to keep track of it. And so not only do you have to keep record of your business activity, but bookkeeping actually helps you save money, and it helps you save time. Why? Because it helps you save money on your tax returns, because when you go to file your taxes, the tax preparer has to look through all your financial statements, but a tax preparer will charge you extra if they have to do your bookkeeping. You wonder why tax preparers are charging you thousands of dollars or whatever the case is when you file a Schedule C, and it's because they have to go through your bank statements, they have to look at all your business receipts. Those are things that a bookkeeper are supposed to do. You're supposed to already be having your business analyzed by your bookkeeper, and you're supposed to be getting monthly financial statements, okay? So a bookkeeper will actually generate income statements, profit loss statements, cash flow statements, whatever statements you need, a bookkeeper will generate those statements for you every single month. So instead of you having to pay all this money after 12 months and now this tax preparer have to go through all of your stuff, your bookkeeper can send you financial statements every single month. So by the time it's time for you to file your taxes, you have 12 months of financial statements already done for you. This keeps you more organized. It makes you look more responsible to lenders when you go and try to get money from banks. It makes you look organized and more responsible to buyers. Like, say if I know people who have become very wealthy from selling their business. So after they get their business up and running and doing good, they sell the business. And when someone is looking to buy your business, they're going to ask for the financial statements. How is this business doing? So if you got a bookkeeper keeping up on all of your activity, you know, that saves you money and time. Also, let's see, what was the other one that I had? It helps you make good financial decisions, which means, like, if you are thinking about, okay, well, I want to go buy this new tractor or lawnmower, or I want to make this investment for my business, or I want to go on this podcast so that my business can get more exposure. You can look at your financial statements and say, well, this month my business actually did do pretty good, so I can afford to pay this fee to do whatever it is I'm going to do. But if you are not keeping up with your financial statements, you might find out later that you spent money that you didn't really have, because just because money is coming in does not mean that your business is doing well. You have to really analyze all of the expenses and all of the liabilities that you have encountered in that month or that year in order for you to really know if this income that's coming in is really profit. Okay, so bookkeeping is really important. Another thing, bookkeeping is so important is because some people have been losing track of their receipts this year, and it's like, oh, well, I don't have any expenses to file because I lost track of how much this cost and how much that cost. The only reason why you're losing track of how much things are costing is because you're not doing bookkeeping every single month, not even every 30 to 60 days. You're literally trying to wait the whole year and then finally try to keep up with these receipts and stuff. That's not how it works. Of course things get lost. Of course you misplace things. You know what I'm saying? So in order for you to be organized, you want to kind of stay up on your bookkeeping regularly. Okay? So better decision making, you look responsible and organized to lenders. use other people's money. You want to be able to go to other people and get money. And if you don't have your financial statements in order, listen, they're not bothering with you. Okay, IRS compliance, we talked about you having to keep records for a certain amount of years, saving time and reducing stress, cash flow monitoring, we talked about that, building trust with partners and stakeholders, it's the same, and avoiding financial errors. Okay, like seriously. So bookkeeping is very important, y'all. I'm not gonna hold you too long on that, but I want y'all to make sure that y'all really understanding business principles. Okay, everybody claim they want to be an entrepreneur, but you really don't know how this thing go. Okay, so make sure that if you need any help with bookkeeping or business consulting, that you reach out to me. My contact is somewhere on this channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If y'all have any tax or bookkeeping questions, make sure that you reach out to me. I'm not trying to spend too much time on this, but I do want y'all to know that we are about to get into 21 days of self-confidence challenge, because in order for you to be a really successful business owner, your confidence got to be on top tier. Okay, can't be scared to talk about your business, can't be scared to talk to people, and all around self-improvement and self-confidence takes you very far in life. So I just wanted to give y'all this. So we're finna get on that self-confidence journey, and then I have something else planned after that, but we got 21 days of self-confidence. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, hit that post notification bell, and I will see you guys in